Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Gracias por mirar. It is that time again, everybody. Time for a little bit of Spanish. I'm having to compete with the airport noise. I know, back at the airport again. I am leaving again. So I had to ask for a little bit of directions for the ladies' room. So I said, ¿Es unido a la derecha o la izquierda? ¿Es unido a la derecha or la izquierda? So I said, is it a right or is it a left turn? Okay? Easy, a little bit of easy Spanish for today. That's how we learn, little bits at a time. So our Spanish for today, if y'all can hear me, is ¿Es unido a la derecha o a la izquierda? So is it a right or left turn? Today's Thursday. Tune in tonight for a regular scheduled episode, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And tune in every day. Notifications for your Spanish lesson. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day.